Hello friends, so this is the question we have to solve for today. We're asked to find for x in the above. So solution. So let's write down question 3 to the power of x equal x to the power of 9. So what can we do today is to find our answer. First we'll try by multiplying the powers by 1 over 9 on both sides. 1 over 9 on both sides. Since we've done that on the left hand side and on the right hand side, that makes our approach valid, because whatever you do to the left hand side and you do to the right hand side doesn't change the equation. So now this will now have it as 3 to the power of x over 9 equal x to the power of 1, because 9 will divide 9. So if this is what we have, let's decide to multiply both sides again. Since we have 3 to the power of x power 9, we decide to multiply the powers on both sides by 1 over x. So multiply the powers by 1 over x. Since we have applied it to the left and to the right hand side, we haven't changed our equation. So now simplifying this will now be 3 to the power of 1 over 9, because x will divide x, and we're left with 3 to the power of 1 over 9 equal x to the power of 1 over x. So now let's decide to bring write it as x to the power of 1 over x equal 3 to the power of 1 over 9. So if we're writing it this way, we can now decide to 1 over x is equal, see, just observe this, 1 over 9 times 3 over 3, because 3 over 3 remains 1, and 1 times this remains the same. So we haven't changed our equation. This is valid. So now x to the power 1 over x is going to be equal, so this is the same as writing 3 to the power of 3 all divided by 9 times 3. So this is the same thing as writing this way. So x to the power 1 over x to the power 1 over x is equal 3 to the power of 3 over, this is 9 times 3 is 27. So if we multiply 9 times 3 is going to give us 27. So now writing this as x to the power 1 over x is equal, this is the same thing as writing 3 times 1 over 27. So if this is the same, let's try and rearrange these by writing 3 to the power of 1 over 27. So if we write it this way, we can actually write it this way. So writing it this way, we notice that because this is commutative, that is, we can multiply this and this, it doesn't change it, and we can also rewrite this in this form. So if we can write this in this form, remember that when we have x to the power 1 over x is equal to what's 3 to the power of 3, that is 27 to the power of 1 over 27. So but carefully observing, comparing the left hand side and on the right hand side, we can confidently say that our x is equal 27 by comparing the left hand side and on the right hand side. Hence our answer is 27. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.